Seeing a laser sensor error appear on your Xiaomi robot vacuum cannot be good, especially when the vacuum suddenly stops navigating or refuses to continue cleaning properly. Many users notice the robot spinning oddly, stopping mid clean, or struggling to map rooms after the sensor issue appears. Sometimes the vacuum powers on normally, yet movement becomes completely unreliable. In many situations, a Xiaomi robot vacuum laser sensor error can happen because of dust buildup, blocked sensor movement, navigation interruptions, or temporary software glitches. Before restarting cleaning sessions repeatedly or pressing random controls, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the Xiaomi robot vacuum working properly again. Number 1. Turn off the Xiaomi robot vacuum completely and inspect the laser sensor area carefully for dust or debris buildup. 2. Clean the laser sensor gently using a soft cloth and make sure nothing blocks normal sensor movement. 3. Check whether the sensor tower rotates smoothly because restricted movement may start navigation problems. 4. Restart the Xiaomi robot vacuum and place it in an open area to help refresh room detection properly. 5. Start a short cleaning session and confirm whether the laser sensor error disappears afterward.